Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to hide your Instagram activity status on your PC. This new update allows you to maintain your privacy while using the platform. Let's dive into the process. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. You can use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your Instagram feed. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. It's usually at the bottom of the list. Click on it to expand more options. After that, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, navigate to the section titled Messages and Story Replies. This section allows you to control how others interact with you on Instagram. Within that section, locate the option labeled Show Activity Status. This setting determines whether your followers can see when you are online or when you were last active. To hide your activity status, simply disable the Show Activity Status option. By doing this, others will no longer be able to see when you're active on Instagram, giving you more control over your online presence. Remember, turning off this feature means that you also won't be able to see others' activity statuses. This is a trade-off for increased privacy. In summary, here are the steps again. 1. Open Instagram in your web browser. 2. Click on the More icon in the left side menu. 3. Select Settings. 4. Go to Messages and Story Replies. Find Show Activity Status. 6. Disable Show Activity Status. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram activity status on PC. Enjoy browsing Instagram without worrying about who can see when you're online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and updates.